To determine if you have an INL or an INL clone arm, look for the tab under the wiper arm. If it is present, you have an INL clone arm. If it is missing, you have an INL arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Expert Fit Beam wiper blade on an INL arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Insert the tab on the wiper arm into the slot located on top of the adapter. Rotate the blade down onto the wiper arm, press into place until it locks with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Expert Fit Beam.